Welcome back to another awesome video. Today we will learn about how we can sell our books on Amazon according to calendar. It is a very simple technique to sell your books on KDP according to your calendar or according to your schedule. You just need to set the schedule in a publishing section. In publishing section, you just need to make a schedule for publishing your product. If you want to sell your product on next month, you just need to make a calendar, or you just need to make a schedule for this. After making a schedule or calendar for the product, it will be published on your given calendar or given schedule time. This is a tutorial about how we can publish our or sell our products according to calendar. It is also available for the only if, when you it is when it is published on its time. It is not be available for the public until it is not reached to its time. Thanks for watching.